Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make decorative cards. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need sturdy cardstock for the base, sharp scissors, and reliable craft glue. Don't forget decorative papers like patterned or textured sheets to add visual interest. Also, select a few embellishments such as stickers, glitter, or ribbons to personalize your design. Having a ruler and a scoring tool will help create crisp, professional folds. Now, let's create the foundation for your decorative card. Begin by cutting your chosen cardstock to the desired dimensions, perhaps 5 by 7 inches for a standard greeting card. Next, use your scoring tool and ruler to make a precise score line exactly down the middle of your cardstock. This step is crucial for a professional finish. Finally, carefully fold the cardstock along this scored line, pressing firmly to create a crisp, clean card base. With your card base ready, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Start by layering your chosen decorative papers onto the card front. Use a strong adhesive to secure them neatly. Then, attach your embellishments. Think about ribbons, buttons, or pre-cut die cuts to add texture and dimension. Finally, personalize your card with stamps, colorful markers, or a heartfelt handwritten message. Let your creativity shine through each detail. To complete your beautiful decorative card, take a moment for the finishing touches. Double-check that all your layered papers and embellishments are securely glued and completely dry. This prevents anything from falling off later. Carefully inspect your card for any stray glue marks or smudges and gently clean them away for a polished look. Remember, a well-finished card makes a lasting impression. For more creative inspiration and to explore new stories, check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.